Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche Design phone just launched recently. Superb in design, flagship specs, flagship camera tech and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche Design phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's now get to the unboxing. You can see Porsche Design mentioned on top of the box. This phone comes in a single variant with 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, making it one of the highest hardware phones in the world. As expected, the price of this phone is also very high. Removing the plastic from the box, we find the main contents inside. Opening the lid of the box, the first thing we see is the phone itself, wrapped in plastic. Upon removing the plastic, the phone is revealed in an agate grey color. The color of the phone resembles the Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche foldable phone that I've already unboxed and reviewed in a video uploaded, the link to which can be found in the description below. The design of the phone looks quite different from the leaks. The back of the phone is protected with tough material, the Honor King Kong rhinoceros glass, which provides 10 times scratch and fall resistance. The camera module is hexagonal in shape, with the camera specs mentioned on the right side of the module. The back of the phone has a raised middle area, giving it a sporty look, with Honor branding and Porsche Design mentioned on it. However, this raised design also has a disadvantage. If you're a gaming enthusiast, you can't use a cooling clip here. You can also compare it with the Honor V2 RSR Porsche foldable phone. Now, let's take a look at the rest of the contents in the box. Inside the box, you'll find a premium protective case for the phone, which is exactly the same color as the phone itself. The back of the case features a plain leather pattern with Honor and Porsche Design branding, along with stitches in the center, giving the case a premium look. Inside the box, you'll also find a 100-watt charger, a data cable, and a 66-watt car charger. Looking at the front of the phone, you'll see a curved screen, and this phone boasts the industry's first tandem dual-stack OLED display, which is its biggest unique feature. The remaining specs are the same as those found in the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate, including the camera setup, hardware, communication features, and charging technology. Just yesterday, I uploaded an unboxing and review video of the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link in the description below or in the card above. Be sure to check it out. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The only difference you'll notice is in the RAM. The Ultimate Edition offers 16GB, while the Porsche Edition provides 24GB. Other than that, you can also compare it with the Honor Magic 6 Pro, for which I've already uploaded a detailed review video. You can find the link in the description below. In comparison with the Honor Magic 6 Pro variant, the main camera in the Magic 6 RSR Porsche Design is the H9800, and the phone utilizes Logic technology. I'll soon be uploading a detailed review of the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate and the Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche Design. Be sure to subscribe to join our tech team and be the first to watch the video. Speaking of pricing, as mentioned earlier, the Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche Design starts at 9,999 yuan in China, which is around £1,092 in the UK and $1,390 in the USA. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.